President Donald Trump tweeted that he would be saving taxpayer money this weekend by working out of his home in New Jersey rather than visiting Trump Tower in New York. Obviously, it's still more costly for Trump to travel on the weekends rather than stay in DC. But if he does have to get out of the White House, New Jersey is the place to go. Trump owns a golf club in Bedminster, New Jersey. The town's mayor told CBS this morning that the estimated security cost for his town to host the president every weekend this summer is $300,000 total. And according to documents acquired by Politico, securing Trump Tower cost the NYPD alone roughly $308,000 a day. That means it costs more to protect Trump for one day in New York than it might cost for an entire summer in Bedminster. Trump Tower also carries $4.5 million in additional annual cost from fire department protection. Congress ensured that the president's security costs were covered in its most recent spending bill by allocating $60 million for the Secret Service and another $60 million to help local governments enact effective protection. Trump and his family have been criticized for what some have called excessive travel. Also, First Lady Melania Trump and her son Barron are living in Trump Tower until he finishes school. That security can cost anywhere from $127,000 to $146,000 a day.